Hello, welcome to my video, Generate an Email Marketing List for Clickbank Products Fast. Thanks very much for coming. Hi, my name is Bill Gibson. In this video, I'm going to cover some of the reasons why people don't build a list. Then I'm going to actually tell you why you should. And more importantly, I will give you a couple of free tools, or some of these are paid tools that you can use to get your list, okay? So, what are some of the reasons why a person doesn't want to build a list? Maybe they just don't know why. They don't understand how important it is. It's very important to build an email list. Let's take the example here. Let's pretend this is your Clickbank affiliate product. If you don't build a list, what you're doing is sending that person straight to your affiliate product, and either they're going to buy or not. And in most cases, most people do not buy the first time they actually click on your link. In order to combat that, they will send that person to an opt-in page. And what the opt-in page will do is that will capture the individual's name or email or both. And then that will allow them opportunities to send them follow-up. This is automated follow-up emails. The opt-in page will take them to a thank you letter. The thank you letter will take them to the affiliate product. Your emails will be leading them to the affiliate product. And in most cases, you might just take one pain point with the emails and touch on that email as I listed here, maybe do a video, but touch on that pain point, and then the solution will be your affiliate product. Now, the reason why someone might not do this is that it takes a little work. Not a lot, but it takes a little work. And remember, I said is that the successful marketers online do what others are just not willing to do. And this is not hard. There are YouTube videos, and most of the companies will have tutorials on how to use their services. Listen, one of the things I do not want to do is that I don't want to confuse you. I want you to think about it. Have you ever made a purchase online? I'm sure you have. Every time you made a purchase online, whoever it was, it could be a department store, it could be a appliance store, it doesn't matter. Everybody took your email. Everybody wanted an email. So don't try to reinvent the wheel. Get an email also. Take my word for it, you need to collect an email. So you need to do an opt-in list. What I like to do now is just cover some of the tools that you can get or use to actually make this process simple for you. One of the email providers that I came up with was Aweber. Aweber, there's a monthly fee, and then they also have for the first 500, it's free. Here's the monthly or the annual fee. You pay annually, but it comes down per month, $16.50. What an autoresponder will do, as I mentioned in that earlier video, it's an automated process that you can send out emails like clockwork. If you have bought anything online, I'm sure you're getting emails yourself. You can do the same thing. The thing about Aweber is it's the email software. It's not the actual squeeze page. I call it a squeeze page. This is what I mean by squeeze page. This is a squeeze page. So hypothetically, Aweber will go right in here. Their software would be right behind here. So when a person clicks, it gathers their information. Does that make sense? So in order to do this, you would need software too. One, you could use a platform called WordPress. WordPress is a blog type software that you can get. You would use WordPress to make a squeeze page or a opt-in page. If I say opt-in page, I mean squeeze page. If I say squeeze page, I'm still referring to an opt-in page. But there are other companies that will do that too. I'm not going to go over all those companies. I don't want to confuse you. There's one particular company I will go over, and I made this page through them. And that company is called Groove Digital, or I'm going to call it Groove Pages for short. Groove Pages will offer, you have a couple of options. One offer is completely free. you can get a completely free page builder to build something such as this, plus the fact you can also do emails. They have Groove Mails, which is completely free. I'm in the process of setting that up now. All right. And then they have training, which will show you how to use that particular product. They have training which will show you how to use all their product. The page builder, this is a page, and they have training how to use the email function, and they have something called Groove Sales. You can also sell their products and services. You can do a whole lot of things. You can use Groove pages for free to actually build this process out. Makes sense? And in this process, what you want to do, you want to set up your emails. Try and do at least 10. So that means is that whatever product you're selling, whatever affiliate product you're selling, or Clickbank product in which you're selling, you want to have, or pick out, find 10 pain points, 10 problems that your product is solving. And then my suggestion would be, based upon my training or my mentoring by this guy named Paul Murray, is to create 10 videos to put in your email that will lead them back to your affiliate link. So that'll give you 10 opportunities to try to get that individual to actually click on that link. And if they don't, you still have the email, so you can market something else later. The thing is that once you get that email, that's an asset. So you want to build your assets up as much as possible, okay? So hopefully you like my video. If you like my video, or if you have any questions, please answer or please comment below, and I'll be more than happy to try to answer your questions. If you enjoyed this video, if you like this video, please subscribe at the link below where you'll be notified, and then press the bell to where you will be notified of other emails coming out about marketing with Clickbank products or getting traffic with Clickbank products. So in my next video, what I'm going to cover is 5 ninja Clickbank marketing steps to success for beginners. We're going to talk about some traffic, all right? Thank you very much for allowing me your time today. I appreciate it. Peace.